Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to buy TRC20 tokens using Trust Wallet. First, ensure your Trust Wallet is installed and properly secured on your device. You'll need a small amount of a compatible cryptocurrency, like BNB, to cover network transaction fees. Remember, TRC20 tokens are built on the Tron blockchain, so understanding this helps with the process. We'll walk through each step to make it straightforward. Next, you'll need to fund your Trust Wallet. The easiest way is to buy a common cryptocurrency, such as BNB or UST, from a reputable exchange. Once purchased, transfer these funds to your Trust Wallet address. It's crucial to select the correct network during the transfer, for example, BEP20 for BNB, to avoid losing your assets. Always verify the address before confirming the transaction. Now, let's swap for your desired TRC20 token. Open the D-App browser within Trust Wallet and navigate to a decentralized exchange, such as PancakeSwap. Search for the specific TRC20 token you want to buy. Carefully review all the swap details, including the amount and potential fees, before approving the transaction. This process converts your existing crypto into the TRC20 token you selected. After the swap, confirm your new TRC20 token balance appears in your Trust Wallet. If it doesn't show up immediately, you might need to manually add the custom token using its contract address. This ensures it's visible in your wallet. Remember to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. Congratulations on your purchase.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.